This is my Hearty California cheesy chili. This is my Wagyu cheesy California chili. One thing I love about this, it's got everything in it. And here's a list of spices that I'll leave in the description below. We're gonna mix our spices up and then we're gonna brown our Wagyu. This happens to be a Wagyu Chuck A3+, absolutely gorgeous beef. Using my Hexclad pan, and that crisps that beef absolutely perfectly. You want to sear it on all sides before we throw it in for a nice long nap into the slow cooker. Get your 2 cans of beef broth. I had 1 less sodium, so it's not as salty. We then had some white kidney beans, Bush's black beans, and the Del Monte dented can, whole kernels. You gotta have the dent, makes it more flavorful, and some 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗓𝗓𝗓 fine chopped tomatoes. We've got some baby potatoes. I love these. And then we got some onion going in. Nothing like some great onion to go with those seasonings and all that beef. You can slice your onions how you like. This is how I do it. It's simple. Lets me cut up the pieces in the cubes that I desire. I like the smaller pieces instead of having big chunks of onion. It just all kind of goes together well when you're all done. Little trick I use is a colander. We're going to dump all of our beans, our corn, and make sure that we have our tomato sauce going in along with our broth. And then we're going to add that beef and our seasonings. And we're going to have an absolutely incredible chili. We're going to mix it up. And then we're going to go for 10 hours in the slow cooker. And we're going to have an absolutely fantastic chili. Our chili's all done. Should we check it out? How do you think that looks? That looks scintillating. I know. Shall we give it a try? Absolutely. Oh, that's scintillating.